Good morning, people. This is Chef Olive Kitchen on Fire. I'm going to show you something really cool today. A little snack that's super healthy, tons of nutrients. It's a sardine pate. So I have some beautiful sardines right here. You know, whatever. This is good stuff. Okay, but you can take, there's other stuff. You see, like this one is good too. Okay, this is good. Fun barbecue, yeah. Ooh, look at that, so cool. Ooh, oh yeah. And look what I found. That's pretty cool too. Yes. And clams, why not? That's super fun. And of course, herrings, right? So today I'm just gonna do sardines in olive oil. Okay. Never buy other things. Just sardine with olive oil. That's it. It's gonna be way better than the one in canola oil or soy oil or sunflower. No, don't do that. Olive oil only. Try to find something good. They come in a can, so there is oil in there. So I'm not gonna eat that oil. Okay, I'm gonna put new oil. I'm gonna put some butter. That's right. And you guys, just so you know, I'm not good at measuring butter. I'm French. I have a very hard time with little butter, so I put a lot of butter. Then I'm gonna put some sardines. When you open sardines, open them on a container. You know what I mean? Like, don't. See? So the mess is gonna go in that. Okay? Look. See? It's already a mess. Now, slowly. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse that. I'm gonna rinse it later. I know it touched the bowl or whatever. It's for the video, right? Put that in. I'm not saying you should not eat that oil, huh? That's not what I'm saying. If you have just the can and nothing else, and if you eat outside, what I do is I mash everything, put salt, and eat the whole thing. Because it's not bad. It's just I just want to pick my oil. Plus, I'm going to put some butter anyway. No oil today. So here we go. So those are my sardines. Okay, 3 sardines. I told you already, I really like butter. I'm going to put a lot of butter. So that's, what is that? 4 tablespoons. Boom. Allez, 5. You don't have to do like me, huh? It's okay. So you guys, you know, I like to do that. Just mash everything. Now, I have a machine. I'll show it to you. See? It's true. I have a machine. But I want to show you that you don't need the machine. Just go like this. Okay? Vessels. Now, let's start to put stuff in there. So the butter, I put it out about when was that? 20 minutes ago. So it's a little soft. Okay? And I'm going to explain to you why I put so much butter in my sardines. Actually, it's very important. Okay, this is my vitamin K. So K2. You know when people say calcium is good with vitamin K2 and this and vitamin D3 and this and so I don't do that. I go to the sun, but also this is where I eat lots of butter, so I don't have to worry about my K2. All right, so this is it. Let me show you what it looks like. Boom. Some pepper now. Black pepper. Boom, boom, boom. And salt. So I like salt. Sorry guys, but I'm a salt guy. Boom. Alors, at this point right here, sardines are great. Now, one of the things that I've heard, people say, well, yeah, there's arsenic and okay. Piano. there is arsenic in the sardine, in a lot of seafood and marine animal. It's called an organic arsenic, not organic like. It's organic because it's actually an arseno something. Arseno, I forgot. But this is not a problem. This is different than the inorganic arsenic that you will find in vegetables like rice, for example, particularly brown rice specifically, and stuff like that. So yes, it is not the same at all. This is not a problem at all. Okay. Also remember something. Fish in general have a lot of selenium, tons of selenium. Selenium directly removes heavy metal, particularly mercury. Just remember all this stuff. So don't be too shy. If you eat seafood. Seafood is crucial. Okay, and I would say twice a week. Twice a week is a good number, or more. I mean, but meat twice a week is good because I eat meat. I like meat better. But sardine will give me my DHA, which I absolutely need. So you guys, if you want to focus on something, it's DHA. Here we go. So now, let's look at it. What can we do? I can stuff them in those little peppers. I can put them on a cucumber. I like that. I like cucumbers. But let's say you want to put it in the pepper. Well, it's not very difficult, huh, guys. I'm going to show you because I like you and stuff. Boom, boom. Get the garbage. Get rid of that thing. You can also do tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. You can put some in there. Oh, look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Boom, eat. Mangia. Super good. Oh yeah. My tomatoes, they were kind of not very good. So I put them on the sun for a few days. Not bad. Cucumber. This is really super healthy. So I know you guys, you don't have to put so much butter, huh? Don't worry about it. Pretty cool. Look at that. Ooh. What else can I do? I can put some, something cool? Some pumpkins. Some zinc. Look, little pumpkin. And also, of course, bread if you want bread. So for the bread, I got a levain. Levain is great, sourdough. Cool. So that's it for my sardines. Pretty cool, huh? So now you can see it's super easy. It takes like literally 5 minutes. Okay? Cool. Good. I'll see you next time, maybe.